everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making spaghetti tacos from iCarly. So watch and learn these famous recipes. Better wash your hands, dirty girl. What is spaghetti? It's something you put in a pan, break it on to smaller pieces. Like this. Add water to the pan. Bring that thing to a boil and with a little bit of oil. Don't forget the salt and pepper. Just a little sprinkle in the pan. Ground beef in a bowl with oil. Four tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. In the Netherlands we call it ketchup. 1 tablespoon of mustard in the bowl. 4 drops of Tabasco. 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. In the Netherlands we call it rietsuiker. Mix it all together. Add a little bit of breadcrumbs. Mix it together again. Grab a pan. Add butter to the pan. Let's get this butter melting. Make the meatballs and drop them in the pan. Let it burn for a very short time, then turn the heat down low. This spaghetti is perfectly cooked. Drain the water from the pan like this. Add tomato sauce to your pasta. Grab a little bit of fresh thyme. Chop a garlic nice and fine. Don't be shy, it's not your mom. Chop 2 shallots and 1 yellow onion, not the same way, it's not your mom. Maybe your ex, this one makes you feel cry. Oh my god. It's a very strong onion. I add the onion to the pan. We're mixing the oil, the garlic and the spaghetti all together. Add some chili flakes on the spaghetti. Spaghetti in a taco. Push a little bit. Meatballs in the taco. Doing by hand. It's a lot easier, I think so. Now we have a spaghetti taco. A real spaghetti taco from iCarly, my version. I'm gonna taste test my version of spaghetti tacos from iCarly. So good. For you, Spencer.